My name is Dr. Ericka Paddock, and I am the director of the Department of Student Life. On the low end, we'll have 20 clubs on campus. On the high end, 40. We have had clubs that are associated with departments like the Math Club or the Sand Canyon Writing Club, the Physics Club, or clubs associated with different disciplines, EMS Club, the Fire Tech Club, the Health Science Club. The benefits to joining a club are much broader than people realize. Short term, it seems like we just want to give you something to add to your resume, but if you really think about it, the skills that you'll learn in a club or a student organization are skills that you're probably going to take with you till you retire. You know, skills like learning how to network, learning how to organize your time, learning how to deal with conflict resolution. So it's not really just clubs and organizations out there, it's also other things that you might not have realized exist on campus. So much of what we do revolves around making sure that the experience that we provide here mirrors the experience that you will experience at a four-year college and university. And so the sooner you get involved, the sooner you understand what it's like to meet new people, the sooner you understand the channels that you have to go through to get connected, the easier it'll be when you transfer.